How to make a hard piece of meat tender and flavorful. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making Arrosticini, also known as Rustelle or Speducci. They are traditional barbecued skewers of mutton or lamb from Abruzzo. They were born as a simple lunch for the shepherds while herding their flocks in the mountains for days. Having to feed themselves with what they had, they became very creative. They cut old sheep's meat into small pieces so as not to waste food. Traditionally, they were made with a cheap cut of mutton meat from a young ewe, a female called chavara, or wether, castrated male called castrato. This is how they sell it in Italy. Now lamb is often used. You can use any cut of meat: thighs, shoulders, neck and loins, best if there is some fat. Here we are using a leg of lamb. Cut the meat of the leg of lamb into small cubes about 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters. Remember, with the meat left on the bone, we made shank lamb ragu. Traditionally, the seasoning was kept very simple and made with what they had. Let them marinate with extra virgin olive oil and a sprig of rosemary for a few hours. Lay them on a hot grill or barbecue. Turn them around until they cook evenly on all sides. In Abruzzo, they are cooked on a grill called Rustelle, but any barbecue is fine as long as it can hold the skewers. Here I use this tabletop griddle that is very handy. You can place it in the middle of the table and everyone can grill their own. You can use the same technique with chicken, pork or beef. Serve immediately while still warm. Shepherds would eat them with what they had: pears from the tree, stale bread, but you don't have to. You can find some easy side dishes on the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Shepherds are so smart and nothing goes to waste.